With its unmatched versatility and cutting-edge design, the English Electric Canberra shattered expectations and set a new standard for jet-powered bombers. It also served as a reconnaissance platform, ground attack aircraft, nuclear delivery system, and even a trainer. But what made the Canberra truly extraordinary? When it entered service in 1951, the Canberra marked a bold technological leap for the Royal Air Force. It was the first jet-powered bomber to enter RAF service, designed during a time when the memories of propeller-driven bombers like the Lancaster and Halifax were still fresh. Yet the Canberra represented an entirely new era, one defined by speed, altitude, and jet propulsion. At the heart of the Canberra's performance were its Rolls-Royce Avon RA 3 turbojet engines, each producing 7,500 pounds of thrust in early models. Later variants, such as the PR9 Reconnaissance version, were equipped with Avon 206 engines pushing nearly 10,000 pounds of thrust each. These engines gave the aircraft an impressive top speed of over 580 miles per hour and a ceiling above 48,000 feet, soaring far beyond the reach of many contemporary fighters and anti-aircraft defenses. The Canberra's clean, streamlined design, lacking the gun turrets and drag-inducing structures of World War II bombers, was crucial in achieving these performance benchmarks. Its mid-mounted straight wings, long fuselage, and twin-engine nacelles gave it the appearance of a glider at high altitude, but one packing serious firepower. One of the Canberra's biggest strengths was its payload flexibility. The standard bomb bay could carry up to 6,000 pounds of ordnance, but modifications allowed for external stores and specialized mission equipment. The aircraft could deliver conventional bombs, nuclear weapons, or photo reconnaissance cameras, depending on the mission. Among the most combat-oriented variants was the BI-6, a dedicated ground attack and interdictor model that mounted 420mm Hispano cannons and a gun pack under the fuselage, turning it into a formidable low-level strike aircraft. The B-57, a US-built version produced under license by Martin, also saw widespread use by the United States Air Force. It was one of the first jet bombers to conduct close air support. It operated from South Vietnam, hitting Viet Cong positions and supply lines along the Ho Chi Minh Trail. The B-57G variant was among the first aircraft fitted with forward-looking infrared, laser target designators, and radar for precision night strikes. The Canberra was also a critical tool in intelligence gathering during the Cold War. It served in photo reconnaissance and electronic warfare roles, especially in its PR-3, PR-7, and PR-9 variants. These aircraft were equipped with advanced camera systems and electronic sensors, and flew some of the most sensitive missions of the era, many of them classified. Flying at extreme altitudes, Canberras conducted surveillance over the Soviet bloc, Middle East, and China, often pushing the limits of performance to stay above enemy defenses. The PR-9 in particular had a service ceiling near 60,000 feet, making it one of the highest flying operational aircraft of its time. The Canberra was so well designed that it remained in frontline service for over 50 years. The RAF finally retired its last PR-9 reconnaissance Canberras in 2006. But even after that, countries like India, Peru, Argentina, and Chile continued flying them into the 21st century. Few jet aircraft, military or civilian, can claim that kind of longevity.